LeetCode 178 rank scores. Write a solution to find the rank of the scores. The ranking should be calculated according to the following rules. The scores should be ranked from highest to lowest. If there's a tie between two scores, both should have the same ranking. After a tie, the next ranking should be the next consecutive integer value. In other words, there should be no holes between ranks. Return the results table order by score in descending order. The result format is in the following example. We're going to solve this question in both SQL as well as Pandas, taking it line by line. All right, let's get coded. This is a medium question, although I think this should be an easy question in my personal opinion. But our input, we're going to have IDs and scores, and then our output is just score, and we create a new column, which is going to be rank. But really the answer to the question is these 4.0s. You see that it goes 1, 1, and then 2. The question really is a knowledge-based question based around, what type of rank are you going to specifically use? And if you're familiar with ranking, right, it'll essentially rank a column. You can partition by or order by. There's no partition on this one. We're just going to literally order by rank. The easiest way to do this one, SQL-wise, is to create a CTE and then do another SQL query down below. A CTE is going to be your with statement. So let's get that going. So I'm going to go with score rank. So we can just put score rank as, and let's build out our select statement inside. So what we're going to be selecting first is a score, right? Because you can see that in front of output, we have a score, and then we need to do a rank. So the rank that we're going to specifically use that we can have ties, and then the next number just goes down to 2 is something called a dense rank. So dense underscore rank. And I've seen people talk about how these are used in interviews. I'll be honest with you, I don't use dense rank too much at work. Occasionally it comes up. So just know on that side, I think it's probably more important for your interviews than anything else. But then we're going to do an order by over here. So we're going to order by our score, and then we're going to place this in descending because we want to have the highest score have a ranking of 1, where the lowest score is going to be the lowest ranking, right? In this example, the lowest score we want to have as a 6. And then we want to name this over here. So name this rank because that's the final output. And okay, so now let's just run this. Just do a blank select star just to make sure it works. Select star from score rank. And obviously it's going to say it's not correct, but we're just trying to make sure we have our SQL correct. And it's going to be an error actually because I did not do from the scores table. So I just glanced right over it. So let's rerun that. My bad, guys. And all right, so test results. It's been selected already, and honestly that is correct there, but I'm gonna make one modification because we do technically have our score and rank. I don't like doing a select star. That's just me. So what we're gonna do is 2 things. Number 1, we're gonna say score and also rank here, and personally I'm also gonna just do an order by rank, and that just makes the code a little bit cleaner. Is it 100% necessary? No. I want to put that in there and just to run it, right? And the reason why you don't want to do select stars just in general is sometimes people add new columns to tables and it becomes a mess. Don't always use select stars, especially in production level code. But either way, we have that there. And then I just highlighting we're going to be ordering by rank. So I already tested this code as well, and it's been accepted as a solution. So one more time, just as a quick walkthrough, what we're doing is building out a CTE at the top. The reason why, and this is kind of a good hint for SQL interview questions, is anytime we have a rank, just build a CTE and then just do a select statement from that CTE. Easiest way to do it without getting confused. So we're literally just going here. We're selecting our score. We're selecting the rank, and we don't have to do any specific partitions. All we have to do is order by our score, descending. That way we get the highest score up first. And we're grabbing this from the scores table, and then we get that output, right? And then we're just going to select from this output. So we're grabbing the score and the rank, which we already put over here, from the CTE, the score rank, and then we're ordering by that rank. That way we have rank 1 at the very top, and then rank 6 all the way at the bottom. Although this is 4 in this example, but if there's other examples over here where let's say 6 unique different numbers, I would have that typical scenario. All right, now let's move on to the Python side of things. So this Python is actually going to be easier than the SQL in my personal opinion. So the first thing we're going to do, by the way, LeetCode builds out this function. So we take in this scores data frame. So what we need to do is build out a rank. So all we have to do is scores, build out a new column, which is going to be rank. Going to be equal to scores. Put your score over here. Then you're going to do dot rank. Then you're going to say your method equals, put dense in here. So the same thing as we did in SQL, the dense rank. And then ascending equals false. Okay. Then the next line we're going to do is I'm just going to call the scores 2. And we're going to say equals scores dot sort underscore values. All right. And then inside over here, we're going to say by, and we're going to put score. And then we'll put ascending equals false. And I know in the SQL side of things, I ordered by this rank instead of the score. I did that before I even recorded the intro of the video, so I apologize on that side of things. So make sure that you rank it by the score, not the ranking. Although, like, at the end of the day, it should be the same exact results. But to get the true answer to what's being asked here, make sure you rank it by that specific score. Because it says right here, result table should be ordered by score in descending order. So ascending equals false. That's how you do the Python. So I'll just make that change if you want, although technically the correct result set is still going to be the same. All right, last thing, our third line of code, which again, super easy. Just return scores 2, and inside over here, put score, and let's put it in our rank. So just run this code. It's been accepted. So one more time, just to walk through the Python. So first thing we're doing is we're creating a new column called rank. We're ranking these scores. We're grabbing that column. We'll do rank. Method is going to be dense. Ascending is false. Next thing we're going to do, I'm just creating a new data frame of scores 2, which is sorted values. We sort the values by score and make sure that's ascending equals false. Technically, you could rank that also by its ranking. You'll get the same exact answer just because of how the rank function works. And lastly, we're returning this scores 2, which we just created the score and also the rank. And simple as that. Man, that was an easy medium LeetCode question. Honestly, if I had a technical interview, I would want this question asked in it because it was K. Now, if you guys did enjoy this video, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. I know most people aren't subscribed, but it's 100% for free. And it does show YouTube that people are interested in the data science and analytics videos that I currently create here on the channel. And also as a bonus, I'm building out a full playlist of LeetCode videos for people in the data field. And that's going to be right over here.